Guys, welcome back to my video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your single shotgun into almost automatic gun. Now let's get started. I actually have like two guns that work in this method. The first one is Flip Fury, and second one is this Strike. Oh, I forgot it's still reloaded. Hey, you know what? Beggars can be choosers. Okay, let's try the Flip Fury first. Don't forget to reload. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is hold this into the back, pull, and then just do this a lot of times, like that, or like that. It's pretty useful if you like wanna flank your enemy or your friend in Earth War. That is one of the best methods, but it's only good if you have many bullets. Now let's try the 3 strike. Oh wait. Okay, so first thing you want to do is like same time do this, and then you wanna like, I'm not using my magazine, sorry, but it works good. But sometimes the ammo jams, so I don't really recommend it at like sniper guns, something like Modulus or Retaliator. I don't really recommend doing this method at those sniper guns. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is same like before, pull this and then just something like that. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. It's pretty good. You can support my channel by doing that. And thank you for watching. Bye.